Hey guys, welcome back. So today, dancehall artist Alkaline made history as the first hardcore dancehall act to be featured on streaming platform Audiomack's hit live performance series Fine Tuned. Alkaline's manager and sister Karina said during an interview with the Star yesterday that her brother will break new ground for dancehall, and she is extremely proud and excited for the masses to see his performance. Fine Tune largely features hip-hop artists. Cranium was the only other Jamaican act to be featured back in February 2019.
Aircraft man so full of technique, make him feel like so good and then right. Show up at them night, cause we are clean up.
Okay, so Alka is starting it off with Cree.
About warrior there to where them hear about. Open up it, they can make it hear out. Anybody in the way them a feel clear out. Like switch up, but a flip. No do the back a lip, no chat in a give put shot in a door. Money no for than bag na bitch. I mean no son savage when no give her no chance. Build it as send no.
I like it. I love this song, the original version, and I like the instrumental too. It's dope.
And get a checker, set up a boy in a place, yo. Still bad boy, I'm alone. Someone now we an entourage, my bad boy, I'm but now I'm rolling with my niggas, wait, mad never come. Couple step on, couple deck, I wanna laugh, place the prom with them for do more than for job. Headshot, stop the gap, bust my gun and praise the Lord, now tell me, oh, no cap them, you talk about one of them.
I see you guitarists rocking out and having a good time.
Can't ball Cree. Tell craftsman so full of technique, make him feel like so good and then right be. Show up at them night, cause we hard clean. Enough of them say them a do it, but them not do it like we. Gun them enough of what them hear about. Warrior there to where them hear about. Open up it, take a make it. Anybody in a day where them a feel. Can't ball Cree. Hey.
Really dope, different flavor. The guitarist is doing his thing, and right now we're about to go into my favorite, or should I say one of my favorites. Let's check it out, guys.
Touch. You know, sister, we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your sun load explosion, and we make the commotion then.
They ever dance, but them watch we every motion. Them T5 with slogan, them. We do it first, cause them soft like lotion.
And waves like the ocean, yeah. We never see a phone, so hey. Never the time to rely on people to make my move, and never saw me grow. I know say we hype, I know you're probably right, but if you not have no pride, I guess anything goes. Well, live the life, tell them we are one. I used to be that little kid, now I am the grown. Take my life, it's alright.
Okay, remember to leave it in the comments how you feel about this, guys. And if you're new here, you haven't yet subscribed, feel free to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification on so you never ever miss an upload. And let's rock out to the end of this beautiful piece right here. See y'all in the next one, guys.
See, I show me what them all we do it. Waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your sun load explosion, and we make the commotion then. They didn't dance, but them watch we have emotion. Deeper with slogan, hey. We do it first, got them sound like lotion, and waves like the ocean, boy. We never see a phone so. Never see a phone so, never see a phone so strong. We never see a phone so. All over the world, them a wave me banner. Fans a come out and a support me and but mine, I wonder what's so special with them on ya. Tidal wave, you know safe under the cabana. We a great big wave and a flood the whole place. If we don't make it out, show the kids we face. Tell them how we stay and how we stuck in our ways. I know them never really. Them rate we anyway, cause we create big waves like the ocean, boy. When you're there, better than your sun load explosion, and we make the commotion then. They didn't dance, but them watch we have emotion. Deeper with slogan then. We do it first, cause them sound like lotion, and waves like the ocean, boy. We never see a phone so.